But it's the past that is killing me. I just want to be right next to me, like the dream that I had, but it seemed like that was the way it was supposed to be. Is it yours and me? Why does it have to be this way? So please explain it all to me. But fuck if this is destiny. What if it's the beginning of a legacy? Close your eyes, baby, and listen to the melody. Every word and every line, every moment, every time, I had you all up on my mind. I cannot reverse the time to bring us back to that one night.